Good evening, ladies and gents, back with another video for Leonardo AI, and this time I'm going to be showing you the brand new UI since I last covered everything Leonardo, plus this brand new model as well, Phoenix. A few new things have come out in the last few days for it. So this is the brand new UI for the user interface for Leonardo AI, and I have to say it is a lot cleaner, a lot simpler, a lot easier to use. So you've got all your buttons up the top now, and you also have all the buttons still down the side. You also have obviously your amount of tokens and everything like that. Now, one thing I do want to push out about the tokens is now you have a rollover bank as well. So tokens you don't use each month will actually roll over to a certain amount. Now, depending on what subscription plan you are on, the higher the subscription plan, the more rollover bank you actually can have as well. So really nice feature from Leonardo, where actually if you're not spending all your credits each month, they are going to just keep rolling over up to a certain amount, which is really nice. Moving on from that, again, the user interface has still got all the community feed and everything like it as well. And the buttons at the top just clean this up somewhat. So we're going to go straight into image creation, and I'm going to talk about Leonardo Phoenix. So Phoenix, I have previously done a video all about, and that is the more in-depth video. There is just a few new things that have come out about Leonardo Phoenix in the last couple of days, and this actually is that Phoenix, for those of you that are on the top tier premium plans, you will now have actually in fast mode 7 times faster image generation, which is absolutely insane because it was really fast anyway before, to be honest. But even on the subscription plan I'm on the first level, it feels even faster than it ever used to as well. So I do think that the actually first plan has actually seen a bit of an improvement from here as well. So just to prove what I'm talking about, we are going to have a lady holding a sign saying hello and welcome to Phoenix. Now, I am not going to speed up this video at all. We're going to make 4 images at 16 by 9 in fast mode. Preset style set to off. Prompt enhance is off. So this is going to be costing us 24 tokens. Now, like I said, I am not going to be speeding up this video at all, nor cutting it either. And you will just see just how fast that these images are now actually processing. Phoenix, for those of you that have not seen my last video all about it, Phoenix is Leonardo AI's own model, which you cannot find anywhere else. And it always takes me by surprise just how fast these actually render. That was less than 20 seconds for 4 images. Now, Phoenix, like I said, was Leonardo AI's own unique model, and it is getting better every single day. One thing that Phoenix does very well, as you can probably tell, is text, and it actually spells things right as well, which is really nice. So you can obviously see that actually these are really good high quality images, even in that fast mode, which is really insane. And all the text is spelt really nice, which is really good. And as we're just going through here, I think every single image has got everything spelt correctly, which is really nice. Obviously, we can then change these into motion videos and everything like that, but really nice to see Phoenix is getting better every single day. And I just wanted to push that out to you, that those of you on the top tier plans, your Phoenix generations are going to be even faster than what they were before. But as you saw there, less than 20 seconds to make 4 pictures is absolutely insane. If you are looking at making up a big load of pictures, this is probably the way to go about it. Unfortunately, we still can't use the character consistency options or anything with Phoenix, but I do know they are working on that, so that will hopefully be coming in the near future. But I'm going to leave the video there. Again, just another quick glimpse into Leonardo AI and what it can offer. If there are anything in, or if there is anything in particular that you want to learn about Leonardo AI, please do let me know down in the comments below, and I will look at making a video guide for you. But thank you very much for watching. As always, folks, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, all that lovely fan doobie-tastic stuff, and I hope to catch you in the next video.